Hi lovelies, today I'm going to share with you guys how I made these delicious healthy avocado crepes at home with healthy herbs added into it. Guys, everybody knows that avocado is a healthy fat, good in potassium and magnesium, so we need it in our daily meal. So adding avocado in our meal is very healthy. So guys, just relax and enjoy this video. Hi, you are welcome to Cooking with EJ, where I bring to you delicious recipe. So first, we have our avocado here. I have 2 pairs of avocado. Why I use 2 is I don't know how it's gonna be inside. So if I open it and 2 of them are okay, that's my luck. And if one of them gets spoiled, then I'm going to use the other one. So that was why I normally got 2 avocado, even if I'm going to use one, but I'm going to open 2 to know how they are. So lucky me, I have 1.5. The other one had something in it, but I'm gonna remove that side. So I'm going to add it into my grinder, okay, this coffee grinder, and I'm going to blend it so that the avocado will be smooth for the crepes. So lovelies, how are you all doing today? I hope everybody is okay. Yeah, how is weather treating you? For me and my family are okay. So after grinding the avocado, now I have 1.5 cup of flour. Then I added the avocado into it, just for my family. So now I'm going to add some eggs into the avocado. So I'll be adding 5 eggs into these crepes, and I'll also add half cup of evaporated milk. You can add whole milk or water, depends on the one you have in your fridge. So after that, I'll also add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add to your taste. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. So for the spices I'm going to I'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed. Then I'll add some vanilla. You can add extract or powder, anyone that you have. So now I'm going to add some avocado oil, homemade avocado oil. You can use olive oil or you can use sunflower oil, depends on the one you have at home. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil into this and mix everything together. In case the water is not enough, you can add more water, you can add more milk, depends on one you want it to add. Okay, so guys, look at this delicious meal, so healthy. So now I added some water into it and I will continue mix. So guys, now the crepes is well mixed. So now the batter is well mixed, so I'm going to start frying. I have my pan on the burner heated already. Then I added some avocado oil, brush it around the pan. Guys, you can use any oil of your choice. So now I'm going to add the batter into the pan and start cooking. Try to reduce your burner to the medium heat so that the batter will not get burned. So I'm going to spread it around the pan so that I will get the shape that I wanted. Okay, then after that I will leave it on the burner, allow it to cook up to 2 minutes, then turn it the other side and cook 2 minutes again. Okay, depend on the low heat your burner is. So guys, you can see that I will flip it to the other side, then allow it to cook. So after 2 minutes, I'm going to remove it from the pan, then get ready to fry another one. So I will repeat the same thing. Add the oil into the pan, brush it around the pan, then add the mixed batter into it and start cooking. So I will try to spread it around the pan to get the circle shape that we wanted. Then after that, I will leave it up to 2 minutes. Just reduce your burner to the medium heat so that it will not get burned. Then after that, I turn it to the other side, and after 2 minutes again, I remove it. So lovelies, this is what we have here. Look at the beautiful avocado crepes with cumin and fennel seed. The taste is amazing. So lovelies, if you haven't subscribed to your girl, kindly subscribe, like my video, share, and also click on the notification bell so whenever I uploaded a new video, you will be the first to know. I love to see you here. Okay, and also check out for another new video coming soon. You can go down to my channel and check other beautiful recipes that we have here. You are going to love them, and give me a very beautiful and warm comment on the comment section. Look at the avocado. The color was amazing, the taste was beautiful, everybody enjoys it. We have it for breakfast, and I'll continue to do it. Thank you, and God bless you.